Well, hello, this is Pamela, and you are on Pamela Yarbrough Designs. I'd like to just share with you this morning a little bit of a video that, I guess, kind of some things that I've been doing this week. Family, fitness, having some fun, can't forget some crochet. All right, let me show you the crochet thing that I've been working on this week. This is from I'm sorry. This is from Crochet World magazine, and this is a hat, a gnome hat, and this is right here, the fall gnome hat from the Crochet World. I'm working on that. I've started on the leaves, and this is from their latest edition. Hold on, I'm gonna get this. I'm not used to holding the camera. The camera's always on my tripod, but this is the Crochet World magazine. And if you've received this and you want to go ahead and get started, I know I normally don't announce this till like a month before, but it's in the magazine, and it kind of lets you know what the upcoming cal is for the guild. So anyway, I'm working on that, and since I've got to change my name, I don't have any letters. It used to say Pamela's Adoring Crochet, so I took those off, and now I can't find the letters. So I don't know. Maybe I'm gonna have to buy me a whole new kit or something. I'm gonna look on Amazon and see if I can't find some letters. But anyway, so let's go ahead and get started with this. I'm gonna show some video clips of me at the, trying to take care of the fitness part of me, the health part, stuff like that. And some time with the kids, what I've done there. And then of course you saw my little crochet. I'm still working on my doll outfit. I've got to make a belt on it. I've got to get the hat going, and that baby's going to be finished, and I'm going to send that to my testers and get that thing going. Okay, now that I've got my specs on, let's go ahead and read our 365 Days to a Season of Hope. And I'll leave the link to this book. I think I've got this from Amazon. But anyway, so for today, it says, I will go, send me. I said, here I am, send me. Isaiah 6:8. Christian believers today have faith because one person or many persons through the ages responded to God's voice by saying, here I am, send me. Gordon MacDonald tells the tale of how his wife once went to a certain dry cleaning business in New York, and the first time that she visited the place, she noticed that it was somewhat different to other dry cleaners. Because the work was done so well, she went again. By her third visit, they knew her name and recognized her. Somehow she started feeling that she was looking for excuses to visit the place again. One day she ventured to say, there is something about this place, you make it pleasure coming here. What is it? Larry, the person in charge, said to her, I am a Christian, and I think this is how Christians should treat their customers. Larry, who was aware that his business was the place where he preached the gospel, was one of people who said, here I am, send me. God called Isaiah to bring his message and truth to the rebellious people of Israel and Judah. He called Paul to bring his truth to the heathens of the first century. God is continuously sending people, and he is always looking for someone to send. He sends some to work in stores, to build up families, to teach, to drive a bus, to make political decisions, to present TV programs, to work with computers, and to sell groceries. When he calls you, will you be ready like Isaiah to say, here I am, send me? Lord, my God, I am ready and willing. Send me. Amen. And you know what? That's exactly what I like to do here on my channel, is to share my faith with you guys and to encourage you along the way. guys, I'm at the Agriculture Museum here in Scott, Arkansas. As you can see, the grandkids and Hugh are in the back. This is a really big place. It's all about agriculture, cotton. Wow.
Hey, let me do it now.
We are going to the cotton gin, and we just got through with the museum part, and I still have all the little tots with me. This is a Gigi and Papa H day out with the grandkids. Okay, so I'm at work. Now I'm fixing to get me some coffee. Turn some lights on here. All right, to get my cup. And I forgot my pink cup, so, oh my gosh, my face was right in the camera. I picked up my collagen. Gotta have the collagen every day. Now this one, today's the first day I'm using it, so I ran out of my other one, and so I'm gonna try this one out to see what I think. Let's see. Well, all right, now I gotta head to my office and start working. Oh, look at my cute shoes. Look at that. There. Aren't they cute? Oh my gosh, I love these. And they got little sparklies on them. Look at that. Yeah. That's my husband's office. And this is my office. I'm working on the missionaries, updating our missionaries in here. And so this is them. We have 32 missionaries, so I'm working on getting those up. Okay, I just wanted to show you guys what I'm wearing at work today. I think it's very pretty. I love this outfit. These nice big comfy linen pants right here. Yay! I love this top. It's comfortable. Isn't it cute? Anyway, that's what I'm wearing today, and I just have my hair down and straightened for the day. So, yeah. Oh, and you saw my shoes already when I was going up the staircase. Okay, so guys, I guess I better get back to work. So, I hope you've enjoyed my video today. That's all I've got for this video. I will see you guys again in another video. Just remember to keep crocheting, live life, have fun, and I will see you again. Bye. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.